Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing for Ftwosh on Whatnot. I'll leave his link in the description along with my referral link. But shout out to him for the Danimals box. He said, sorry for the packaging. He ran out of UPS boxes, which is completely fine. He took care of the cars, wrapped them very well in bubble wrap. Let's get straight into this first car. So first off, we have this Corvette C7 Z06 convertible in that red on black with the racing stripes. Very beautiful car. Put that over there. Then we got the Flying Customs. We have a 66 Chevy Nova and that beautiful purple on blue. Very beautiful car. We'll put those in the back right there. They stand up. All right, we have another Corvette. This is a 64 Corvette Stingray with a dotted. We have some dots around the car. Pretty cool as well. Put that in the back. And then, ooh, it's almost fell on the ground. We have another Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. I don't know why I said another one. It's the only one that we got. Put that right there as well. And last but not least, we have this 65 Mustang 2+2 fastback. Very beautiful car. It's like a maroon brownish color with the white racing stripes. Let me know in the comments down below what your guys' favorite car is from this pickup from Whatnot. I'll leave his link in the description as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Have a great day. Late.